Hey YouTube, I hope you guys are okay. Today we'll be looking at DJI Mini 2 drone and what happens to it if battery malfunctions mid-air. So I had this drone about 50% charged. The battery was 50% charged, and I had a flight time of about, I'll say, 10 minutes. And usually the drone returns automatically to the point of origin, the GPS coordinate recorded at the time of initial flight, and it returns automatic to the point of origin. So I'll play the clip which I recorded from the drone, and then let's find out if this drone survived or not. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing this channel and hit the like button. That way you can support this channel. This is the video recorded from the drone. As you can see, the video is really stable, so there is no wind factor going on here. And the battery at this point of time is 15 minutes of flight time remaining. The point of origin is right underneath the drone, I'll say. And the drone, I took a flight all the way, if you notice the right side corner, the light over there, that's where the drone was. So it's not that kind of distance. There. So at this point now the battery is 10 minutes remaining, and it's trying to tell me that it's a low battery, and it's trying to go to the point of origin. So it will go take the elevation, a little higher elevation, and as you can see, there is no obstacle. It's too high for any obstacle really to be present. And now it's trying to go back, and there. So the power just drained, and then there it is. This is what happened. It is absolutely crushed from the point it fell, and it has broken into pieces. It looks like it ran over by the car. So as you can see, the cover, the battery, the motor, everything is shattered. It is not salvageable or fixable at all at this point of time. But the good thing, I bought this drone from Costco. Plus I also had a DJI Care Refresh, which is a 2-year warranty, costs about $90, I guess, depending on the tax you have. But it's absolutely worth it. As you can see, it's all destroyed. Everything is completely shattered into pieces. So Costco has a great return policy. Like, I just told them what happened, and it was within, I think, 90-day period. So they replaced this drone free of charge, no questions asked. I just told them, and then they just agreed to send me a new drone. So yeah, I mean, this drone is not very well made, I would say. And the good thing is it didn't fall on anyone, and I followed all the instructions. So it had like pretty much 10 minutes left, the flight time, to return to its point of origin, but it never did. And the battery became zero all of a sudden. So it lost the control, and I guess one of the propellers malfunctioned or whatever, and then it fell down. So as you can see, this is my new drone sent by Costco. So let's do a quick unboxing. This is an entry-level drone. I bought it from Costco for about $440. And let's open it, and I'll show you what's inside. A little unboxing. I had a second thoughts about drone, because there are a lot of places you cannot fly this drone, but this one is very lightweight. It's under 250 grams, which makes it pretty much legal. You don't have to register with FAA or anything like that. So here's the drone, comes in a bag, and let's see what's inside besides this nifty little drone. It fits in your pocket. This is what it comes with. This is what inside the box. So obviously there is a drone, a controller, the battery extra. These are the connecting cables. Connecting cable for the iPhone is inside the controller. If you have a USB-C phone, that's the connector for that. If you have a micro USB phone connector, that's the connector for that. Propeller, there is a charging cable, screwdriver for the propellers, joystick. It also comes with a 64 gig memory card. This is a V30 ultra high speed for 4K recording. It comes with a bag, manuals. Bag is pretty spacious. You can put other DJI devices like a gimbal or whatever. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop in a comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.